Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to JK's Cooking. I hope you all are well. Today's recipe is chocolate fudge brownies. So you will need 1 teaspoon of salt, 1.5 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 3 eggs, 1 cup of unsalted melted butter, 1 cup of plain flour, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 75 grams of cocoa powder. Add in your melted butter, eggs. So while the batter is being prepared, preheat your oven to 350 degrees fan. Add in your vanilla extract. Add in the sugar. I'm using granulated sugar, you can use caster sugar. Add in your cocoa powder. Salt. Flour. Give it a whisk. So you want to start to fold in the mixture. This is totally optional. I'm using chocolate chunks. You can use chocolate chips. If you don't want to add it in, you don't need to. Fold the chocolate chips into your batter. So here I'm greasing my tin and adding grease paper on top. Transfer the mixture to the baking dish and smooth it out into each corner. So for the finishing touch, add chocolate chips. This is totally optional once again. Place the tray into the oven and bake it at 350 degrees fan for about 30 minutes. So once the brownies have cooled down, you want to chop them into squared pieces. It serves up to 12 brownies. The best chocolate brownies are ready to be served. I hope you like this video. Make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe. Let us know what you would like to see next. Allah Hafiz.